Hello and welcome to another recipe of All Taste German. Today I have a hearty German soup recipe for you. This popular cheese and leek soup with ground meat is delicious comfort food that everybody loves in Germany. Let me show you how fast you can make this tasty soul food. In a large pot, I heat oil over medium heat. I already chopped the onions and fry them until translucent. As you can see, I did not chop the onion very finely, as it will cook down anyways. But if you prefer, you sure can cut the onion finely, but what I would not recommend is exchanging the fresh onion for onion powder. Then place the ground meat into the pot and fry until nicely browned. As always, you will find all ingredients and the printable recipe on our website. You can find the link in the video description or on All Taste German in the latest recipe area. I already sliced the garlic and add it now to the ground meat and let it fry together for a couple of minutes. I used lean ground beef, but you could also use ground pork, bison, turkey, or chicken. Then I season the meat mixture with salt and pepper. This is an important step for the soup, as I find that the soup is way more tasty if you season the meat itself and then adjust the seasoning of the soup in the last step. I also cut the leek into discs and rinsed it well under cold water. For the soup, you want only to use the lighter green parts of the leek, not the dark part at the top. After you add the leek to the pot, pour in the broth and mix well. Then cover the pot with a lid and simmer on medium-low for about 10 minutes. And now the creamy goodness gets added to the soup. Add the shredded cheese and the cream cheese and stir everything until it's well combined. This will take a couple of minutes. Stir in the sour cream and the heavy cream and bring the soup to a brief boil and then simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you prefer a lighter version, you could skip the sour cream, but I would not skip the heavy cream as it's really an important part for the flavor. Now you just need to make a quick taste test and add additional salt and pepper if needed. Season with a good pinch of nutmeg and paprika powder. Serve with a slice of fresh bread or a crusty roll. Guten Appetit!